At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Independence Day marks the end of the British rule in India 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent India. Even as the struggles for independence raged in India, the British were reeling from the aftermath of the World War II, which came into an end in 1945. In 1947, Mountbatten took over as the last victory of India, intending to oversee the transfer of power planted by the British Parliament by June 30, 1948. But with communal tensions and the acts of violence rising in the country, Mountbatten decided to change the progress and choose August 15, 1947 instead. One of the most largest democracies in the world, India will celebrate 74th Independence Day on 15th August 2020. Even though this year we can't come to school and celebrate our Independence Day, but still we respect our India. And this is my drawing for the Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. This is the drawing of Bharat Mata in Hindi, Bharat Amba in Sanskrit. Amba means mother, also known as Mother India in English. Is the national personification, means respect of India as mother goddess. Happy Independence Day from our Kranti Keen Sainik Navodaya Academy. This year we are unable to celebrate Independence Day in our school with our students, but we are feeling so happy and proud because in this 2020 from our school number of students got selected for Sainik, not 1, 2, 3, but a number of students from our school got high marks like 275, 274, 272, 270 and 260, 268. It's not a easy task to score this high marks, and behind this success our well trained and experienced teachers from 10 years hard work, all hostels with ventilators, big grounds for physical exercise which makes our brain even more sharp, even tasty and nutritious food in our big canteen. The main secret for this is the number of times practice of subjects without stress, and also because of mock tests. And once again, happy Independence Day.